Finding quartiles. Okay, so in this problem we're given a bunch of numbers and we need to find the quartiles. So when they give you a question like this, there's a couple things you have to remember. First is, remember, quartiles are kind of like sections where they split up a group of numbers, and this helps people analyze how the numbers are distributed or spread out. Okay, so we are looking for the specific numbers that are like the borders of where we're going to split up the sections. Okay? Alright, so the easiest thing to do is actually start with the second one. Okay, and it's the easiest because that's just the middle number. But before you do that, you have to make sure that you sort the numbers first. Okay, so here we go. I sorted the numbers super fast. There you go. And now all we have to do is find the middle number. So the middle number is 65. So even though we find it first, that's our second quartile. That's where some people get tricked. Okay? Then what we do is we find the first quartile by going to find the middle number of what's left over to the left of the second quartile. Okay, so in this case it's pretty simple because there's only 3 numbers. So that means the middle number would then be 37. So that is actually our first quartile. Okay? And then our third quartile, we do just like the first quartile, but instead it's going to be the other half after the middle number, or the second quartile. So in this case, since there's only 3 numbers, it would be the middle number, which is 83. Okay, so now we can write them all down. Our first quartile is 37, second quartile is 65, third quartile is 83, and that's it. Okay, usually we use this to make a type of chart or graph or table, but that'll be done in a different video. And that completes our problem.